how can you remove background from your picture using Photoleap? So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to remove the background, you just simply have to open your Photoleap application. And after selecting the Photoleap, you will get to see this upper bar. Now into here, just simply scroll and you will get to see this option of change BG, which means background. Just simply select change BG and after that select the picture where you would like to erase or remove the background. Now I have selected this picture and you will have to wait a bit in order to get your background removed picture, and after a while you will get the picture without the background, and this way you can very easily remove background into your picture by using Photoleap. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.